Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher Wade TV tutorials. I hope this will help you in dealing with your modules. If you feel satisfied in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video. Good morning learners, this is Teacher Wade. How are you today? I hope you're alright today. Starting today, we will have our lesson tutorials in Mathematics 6. For today's lesson, I am going to discuss Module 1 for the third quarter, Understanding Solid Figures. We will start Lesson 1, Visualizes and Describes Different Solid Figures. This is our objective for today. Visualizes and describes different solid figures: cube, prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Are you ready for our lesson? Very good. Now, I want you to feel comfortable and listen attentively in my discussion. But before we proceed in our lesson, I have here some shapes. Can you tell the name of these shapes? Wow, that's great. What is the name of the first shape? Very good. That's a square. How about the second one? Good. That's a rectangle. What is the shape of the last one? Perfect. It's a triangle. Alright, those shapes are just some examples of polygon. A polygon is a simple closed figure formed by the union of line segments. The line segments forming a polygon are called sides. The point where two sides meet is called vertex. The name of the polygons tells us how many sides, vertices, and angles it has. A regular polygon has all sides equal in length, and all angles are equal of the same measures. While a regular polygon can have sides of any length, and angles can be of any measures. Now, let's take a look at these pictures. Can you tell the shapes do these pictures have? Nice try. However, all the things that we see inside our houses come in different shapes. These shapes are called solid figures. Solid figures are figures that have three dimensions, such as length, width, and height. The solid figure on the left has faces or sides that are polygons. These faces meet at edges, which are line segments. Each end point of an edge is called vertex. Now, let us look at the characteristics of different solid figures. First, we have the cube. Cube is a solid figure with 6 congruent faces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Next, we have prisms. Prisms are solid figures that have parallel faces that have the same shape. These faces of its sides are parallelogram. It means their opposite faces are equal in length and the angle are of equal measures. Here are 2 examples of prism. First, we have triangular prism. A triangular prism have 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Next, we have rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And take note, a cube is also a prism. And the next, we have pyramid. Pyramid is a solid figure made up of base and triangular faces. These faces meet at a common topmost point called the vertex. The vertex is also called the apex of the pyramid. A rectangular pyramid is a pyramid with a regular base and with lateral edges of equal length. Here are some examples of pyramid. We have triangular pyramid, square pyramid, and pentagonal pyramid. And take note, rectangular prism and pyramids are also called polyhedron because each one has many faces and every face is a polygon. Next we have cylinder. Cylinder is a solid figure that has two circles and curved lateral faces. And we have cone. Cone is a solid figure that has a circular flat base and curved face pointed towards the top. The pointed top end of the cone is called the apex. Then we have sphere. Sphere is a solid figure in which all points are of equal distance from a point called its center, and these points form a curved surface as well. And to wrap up this lesson, let's recall the different solid figures. We have cone, prisms, pyramids, cylinder, cube, and sphere. How do we describe the solid figures? That's right. We describe solid figures by their faces, edges, and vertices. Now let's practice this time. Tell me the names of the solid figures as I flash each one of them on the screen. What is this figure? Very good. It's a cylinder. What's this figure? Great! That's a sphere. How about this one? Alright, it's a cube. What's the name of this figure? Very good. It's a cone. And how about this one? Perfect. It's a rectangular prism. Now this time, we're gonna use real-life objects and I want you to name what special figure it represents. First, we have the tin can. Very good. It's a cylinder. How about this one? Good. It's a sphere. How about this one? Very good. It's a triangular prism. How about this volcano? What is the shape of the volcano? Alright, it's a cone. How about this matchbox? Great, it's a rectangular prism. Now, how about this geographical figure? Very good, it's a pyramid. It's the Egypt pyramid. How about these dices? Very good. They are cube. This time, we're gonna have a guessing game. Tell me who I am.
Alright, I am a solid figure. I have no faces or edges. I am round. Tell me who I am. Good, it's a sphere. Next, I am a solid figure. I have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 equal edges. Alright, you're in the right track. It's a cube. Next, I am a solid figure. I am round. And I have a round face. I have a point and one round edge. Tell me who I am. Very good. It's a cone. Next, I have a curved face around. I have 2 circular bases, but no vertex. Who am I? Great! It's a cylinder.
Alright, everyone, you're doing well today. And I know you are now ready to answer the activity sheets given by your teachers. Thank you so much for watching and listening attentively in my discussion. This is Teacher Wade, and see you on my next tutorial. Should you have any comments and suggestions on my video, please write it down on the chat box below. See you in my next video. Goodbye!